Welcome students, welcome to Confidence Academy. Now I am going to solve problem number 5 from the textbook. In last problem we have seen problem number 3, that was depend upon the absence of partnership deed. There was no agreement deed. Then we have followed the provision of relevant to accounting according to Partnership Act 1932. In this problem there is an agreement. We have to share like that agreement only. Let us discuss what is the problem. Just see here. Okay. Who are the partners? Rakhi and Shikha. Who are the partners? Rakhi and Shikha are the partners in a firm with capital of rupees 2 lakhs and rupees 3 lakhs. See here, Rakhi and Shikha are partners. They have introduced 2 lakhs and 3 lakhs. But in profit and loss appropriation account, we don't take capital amount and drawings amount, but we take interest on capital and interest on drawings. Just you should keep it in mind, because capital amount is not expenses and not income, drawings amount is not expenses and not income, but interest on capital and interest on drawings are the expenses and incomes. Therefore, we take only interest on capital and interest on drawings, because profit and loss appropriation account is a nominal account. Nominal account rule says debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Therefore, if there is any expenses or is there any income, those expenses and income can be taken into the profit and loss appropriation account. So, keep it in mind, capital amount and drawings amount we don't take, but interest on capital and interest on drawings amount will be taken into the profit and loss appropriation account, right. So, this 2 lakh and this 3 lakh we won't take in the profit and loss appropriation account. Next, it is saying the profit of the firm for the year ending profit, it has given some profit year ended 2014 and 15 rupees 23,200. Therefore, we have to take this profit on credit side of profit and loss appropriation account as P and L account, profit and loss account 23,200. Next, again see here, as per the partnership agreement. In before problem there was no partnership agreement, but in this problem there is a partnership agreement. Then if there is an agreement, then we should follow that agreement. If there is no agreement, then we should follow the provision of Partnership Act 1932, absence of partnership deed. But here partnership agreement is available. Then what they have agreed before starting business, they made an agreement. In that agreement they have written what they have written, like that only we have to follow. Let us see. It is saying as per the partnership agreement they share profits in their capital ratio. He is saying that profit and losses should be shared according to the capital ratio. What do you mean by capital ratio? Capital ratio means who has invested or introduced more capital, they had to get more profit. Means if any partner invested less amount, he has to get less amount. So, that only saying according to capital ratio. If in the problem there is no ratio, or if he is not mentioned any profit and loss sharing ratio, then we have to share equally. But he has mentioned, means who will be introduce more capital, he should get more profit. Who invested less capital, he should get less capital. like that only. Now we have to find the capital ratio. Let us discuss. See here, capital ratio. We are going to find out capital ratio. Partners Rakhi and Shikha are partners. Next, see here, Rakhi introduced or invested 2 lakhs and Shikha invested 3 lakhs. If we remove all 0, it comes 2 for Rakhi and 3 for Shikha. Means Rakhi has introduced 2 lakhs, Shikha has introduced 3 lakhs. Then we have to divide profit in total 5 portion. 2 portion will be given to Rakhi and 3 portion will be given to Shikha. Right now, partnership ratio is 2:3. 2:3 means 2 by 5, 3 by 5. Why we have to take 5? Because both 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Therefore, total profit of the business is 5. In 5 portion, 2 portion will be given to the Rakhi and 3 portion will be given to the Shikha. Okay, we have found that. We have found the ratio of partners. Next, after allowing salary of rupees 5,000 per month, there is a salary. Whom we are giving salary? To Shikha. How much? 5,000 per month. Consider this one. 5,000 per month. This profit and loss appropriation account we prepare after 1 year. So, means after 1 year means end of the year we prepare profit and loss appropriation account. She is getting salary of 5,000 per month. Now we have to give salary. We have to take as salary. Whom we are giving salary? Salary to Shikha. How much? 5,000 into 12. Because we have to calculate total 1 year salary. In agreement, it is clearly mentioned that rupees 5,000 per month to Shikha. So, per month 5,000 means for 12 months it will be 60,000. Therefore, we have to take 60,000. Right. Next, again it is saying that interest on partners capital. Interest on partners capital at the rate of 10%. See, it is also mentioned 10% interest on capital. Because there is agreement. If there is no agreement, then no need to give any interest on capital. But there is a agreement, therefore we have to give according to agreement. To both partners we have to give 10% interest on capital. Now take interest on capital. Means first we will give interest on capital to Rakhi. Rakhi's capital is 2 lakhs. 2 lakh into 10 divided by 100. How much? 20,000. And next Shikha. Shikha's total capital is 3 lakh. 3 lakh into 10 divided by 100 is 30,000. Now make both total, it becomes 50,000. See, next again it is saying during the year Rakhi withdrew. Rakhi has withdrawn for personal use rupees 7,000 and Shikha has withdrawn rupees 10,000 for personal use. But before only I said the capital amount and drawings amount we don't take in the profit and loss appropriation account because those are not expenses and not incomes. Therefore, we don't take capital and drawings amount. You may ask, sir, you said like that you won't take like capital amount, but you have taken here the capital amount as 2 lakhs. See here, I took capital account to calculate interest. I did not take that amount directly in the outer column for calculating. So, the capital amount and drawings amount will not be taken into the profit and loss appropriation account. Only interest on capital and interest on drawings will be taken into the profit and loss appropriation account. See, after that you are required to prepare profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account. We will see about only profit and loss appropriation account. because it asks for 6 marks, right? Next, see here, all entries we have taken that. Now we have to calculate which side is more. See, debit side 60,000 plus 50,000, 1,10,000, and credit side only 23,200. Therefore, we calculate first on debit side 1,10,000. This amount same as it is we write on the credit side 1,10,000. In 1,10,000 we should deduct 23,200. How much? 23,200. After deducting that amount, what will be the result? 86,800. That is called as loss. Why it is called as loss? Because debit side expenses in the business, expenses are more than the income. See here, we got profit only 23,200, but there are expenses. How much? 1,10,000. Means profit incoming is less, outgoing is more. Therefore, we got loss in this business, and this loss also to be transferred to partners capital account according to their partnership ratio. See, we have calculated the partnership ratios, partners ratios 2:3. According to those ratios, we have to distribute that loss. Just see here, Raki 86,800 into 2/5. How much? 34,720. And next, Shikha 86,800 into 3/5. The answer will be 52,080. 52080. See, this is the total answer of this problem, and in PU board also it is given same answer as 34,720 and 52,080. I think you understand my problem. If there are any questions, any doubts, you may email me. On my email ID is given in the description box. So, or if you have any doubts, you may WhatsApp me, or if you want to give any guidance about my teaching, my videos, you can make your guidance, or you can keep your guidance on comment box. If you like my video, please subscribe and forward to your friends. Thank you.